Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new Photoshop tutorial by Mr. RABBY. In this video, I am going to show you how to create parallax flat earth effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, we have a great tutorial for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Open Photoshop and import your photo. Now drag the layer on the new layer icon to make a copy of it, or you can press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Now decrease the opacity and press Ctrl+T to transform the layer. Now right click and select Flip Horizontal. Then again right click and select Rotate 90 degree clockwise. Now move the image and add layer mask. Then select polygonal lasso tool and make a triangular selection. As my foreground color is black, I am using Alt plus backspace to create negative mask around the selection. Now click on the chain icon to unlink the layer and the layer mask. Then move the layer on a perfect position and activate the chain icon again. Now go to layer adjustment and select brightness and contrast. Click on the clip icon so that the adjustment only affects the layer below. Then decrease the contrast and the brightness. Now press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Then draw white on the part you want to mask out. Now double click on the layer mask from the image layer to open properties. Then increase the feather to make the edges round. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.